ہے عورت کوئی ہے عورت لے آؤ ہاتھ کھولو کوئی آ جائے عورت کوئی
A lawyer must work hard each day and be always among books to be better able to help his clients. Advocacy is a service, and for a predominant majority of lawyers, it is done at a very modest fee. Therefore, living standard of many lawyers does not commensurate to number of hours they have to work. Security and personal safety is now a major concern among lawyers, as in August alone at least 4 lawyers have been murdered. Our government must ensure personal safety of lawyers is protected by providing legal cover through necessary changes in relevant laws, so that they could continue to offer their legal services without fear or any hesitation or any demur.
تو اگر اور فار ایگزامپل قصور کے اندر جو دوست تھا جو بھی ریسنٹلی قصور کے اندر جو ہمارے بھائی ٹارگٹ کر کے اور میرے خیال میں ان کا شاید ایک رشتہ دار بھی ساتھ تھا جو شاید وکیل تھا جس کو مرڈر کیا گیا، جن کو وہ مرڈر 2 مقدموں میں چھوٹ کے آلریڈی آ چکا ہوا تھا. ہمارا سسٹم ٹوٹا ہوا ہے، اور اگر وہ ہوتا ہے، اگر دندناتے ہوئے لوگ پھر رہے ہیں تو ہمیں کلیکٹیولی ان کے خلاف کوئی نہ کوئی ایکشن لینا پڑے گا، اور اسی کے لیے ہم یہاں پہ موجود ہیں. آپ حیران ہوں گے کہ ہم اپنے وکیل بھائیوں کو انصاف نہیں دلوا سکتے. ابھی بھی مجھے معلوم ہے اس کی کیس کو کہتے ہیں ڈسکا والے کی، جس نے ہمارے صدر صاحب کو شہید کیا تھا، اس کی اپیل ابھی بھی ہائی کورٹ میں پینڈنگ ہے. 5 سال میں اپیل ہی نہیں ڈیسائیڈ ہوئی ابھی تک.
Protection of lives of common men is as much important as of any lawyer or lawgiver. Every single day we see the innocent people are being killed, mothers are being insulted by their own offspring, children are being raped, orphans are put to bondage labor. There has always been a crying need to address injustice prevailing in our country. Yes, sometimes one occurrence becomes the cause to trigger new history into its making. We got, unfortunately, many tragedies sufficient to jolt our collective conscience. If Model Town massacre could not shake us or stir us into action, let this lawyer's cause unite all of us for starting holistic reforms which could eradicate all malpractices from our lower judiciary. And for lawyers, let us make administration of justice free from all influences or any semblance of it, be it is external or from within our elected bodies. Prosecution system of developed countries invest heavily on forensic-based evidence, so Pakistan also must do the same. Unfortunately, in Pakistan, the evidence which is already collected, it is difficult to keep that safe. So, if the government could ensure that forensic teams would deal with all the evidence gathering process along with the police, and also ensure training of the police, that would go a long way for serving the cause of justice in Pakistan.